In my heart, jumping, starting day.
Well, Joel and Joyce, ito ang pinaka-araw na inyong pinakaantay. Alam ko na mahaba ang preparation. May mga maraming nervyos ang inyong dinanas, ano? Pero sa wakas, nangyari din.
Broken to
I pray and wish you both, ni Tito Joel and Tita Joyce, the very best in life. And may you both grow in love in the years to come, joy and happiness. And of course, more children. Enjoy this day. Love you both and congratulations.
oh my God, you're beautiful. On the edge of blue, wish I stayed.
I want you to know that you and Joel are my true daughter and son for me, and I will be your father for the rest of my life.
Carve your place. Don't erase.
Patuloy kayong pagpalain ng Panginoon at sana ay laging nasa middle ninyo ang Panginoon para lahat ng inyong babalaki sa inyong buhay ay sabi nga ito ay magkaroon ng katagumpayan.
Clench your teeth, don't say what you don't mean.
Joel, do you take this woman standing in front of you to be your wedded wife, to live together after God's own word in the holy state of matrimony? Do you promise today to love, honor, comfort, and keep her, forsaking all others and keeping yourself only unto her for as long as you both shall live?
I do.
Joyce, do you take this man standing in front of you to be your wedded husband, to live together after God's own word in the holy state of matrimony? Do you promise today to love, honor, comfort, and keep him, forsaking all others and keeping yourself only unto him for as long as you both shall live?
Yes, I do.
Why you gotta go and say what you're saying now? When I packed it all up and took the
I, Joel, take you, Joyce, to be my wedded wife. I do promise and make this covenant before God and these witnesses to be your loving and faithful husband, to have and to hold you from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sicknesses and health, to love and to cherish till death do us part.
I, Joyce, take you, Joel, to be my wedded husband. I do promise and make this covenant before God and these witnesses to be your loving and faithful wife, to have and to hold from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness or in health, to love and cherish till death do us part.
I'm gonna love you all my life. I'm gonna love you all my life. The world may rearrange, and the colors they may change. Oh, I'm gonna stay right by your side. I'm gonna live to make you smile. The rivers they may run, and the changes they may come. Oh,
Wow, so beautiful.
Wow! Love, I love you so much. Enjoy our big day. Hope you like it. Your love.
I hope you like this simple gift na nakayanan ko. Wow, nakayanan. Ano na maliit na bagay lang to compared sa sobrang laki ng pagmamahal na meron ka sa akin. And nothing can compare to that. Oh, ala ko ba to eh?
I'm happy for both of you dahil natupad niyo yung pangarap niyo na maging isa sa araw na ito. Wala akong hiling kundi magsamahan kayo ng ayos, magmahalan, ang pagtitiwala sa isa't isa, at mahalin ang mga bata.
Sa inyo pa lang, kapanipaniwala na. Dagdagan lang ng fidelity, peace, love, and understanding.
May your marriage ahead of you be filled with exciting possibilities and wonderful opportunities. And may you have many years of immense love and happiness. We wish you all the best that life and marriage has to offer as you continue your journey together.
Joel, have you in the quiet hours of your life considered what is your role as a husband to Joyce? And how about you, Joyce? Have you in the quiet hours of your life considered what is your role as a wife to Joel?
Yes.
Coming up Clover Street, I want you close to me, close. I want you close to me. Hurry up, grab your things, taking you away with me. I want you close.
Love, this is it. Ito na tayo ngayon. After so many years of waiting, who would have thought that we will end up together? Tanda ko pa noon, sabi ko sa'yo. Lagi na nung time na sabi ko noon, hanapan na lang kita na magiging asawa mo. Kasi every time na magkausap tayo, lagi tang kinukulit kung kamusta na ba yung love life mo. From the first day na nag-meet ulit tayo, after so many years, nagsimula lang yon sa isang friendly coffee date. Doon pa yon sa Noe Valley sa Starbucks. And I remember saying this to you. And I didn't even think kung anong magiging reaction mo dito. Sabi ko sa'yo noon, after 3 years, at parehas pa tayong single, sabi ko tayo na lang magpakasal.
Silhouette down the coast, sleeping to the car radio, close. I got you close to me.
I am your dream girl. Tama. And you are my knight in shining armor. I know you will protect me in whatever, wherever we are. And even if all our hair turn gray. I know that you are doing everything for Sab and Sak. I will promise you that you will not do it alone. Marrying you also means that I am taking your kids as my own too.
Love, remember yung first kiss? Wala pa tayo nun. Pinilit lang kita. Sabi ko sa'yo, subukan lang natin. Kaya mo pa nun. Pero nakuha kita sa pilit. Kung hindi dahil sa first kiss na yun, baka wala tayo siguro ngayon dito.
Hi, love. First of all, the time now while I was writing this is 8:07 a.m. May 2, 2023, our wedding day. Alam mo na magaling ako sa impromptu, di ba? Pero today, I don't trust myself to give an impromptu message. Kasi I know that there will be a lot of mixed emotions. I love you so much, my best friend. From the day we started dating, I know that you will be a great man who will love me and take care of me until forever.
Thank you, Lord, for the gift of life that you have given to them. And thank you, Lord, for every parents, every children, every brothers and sisters na nandito, Panginoon. Dalangin namin, O Diyos, na patuloy mo kaming samahan sa patuloy na pagsasagawa ng programang ito at patuloy naming ma-enjoy ang bawat isa, ang fellowship ng bawat isa.
Tell me to calm down. Look all around us here. Fall. It's easy to see.
Masaya kami buong pamilya natin at nadagdagan na naman tayo at madadagdagan ng panibagong ngayon na yun. So looking forward po another baby. So really congratulations sa inyong dalawa.
Lagi lang tayo magpe-pray kay Lord para gabayan niya pa tayo sa ating buhay may asawa. And kung ano man ang pagdaraanan, kasi normal lang naman talaga yan, meron ba pagdaraanan pa tayo sa buhay. Ipag-pray pa rin natin yun kay Lord. Kasi lahat yun galing din sa Kanya, diba? Good and bad, basta para sa pagsasama, mas maging matatag, prayer lang lagi. Yun lang.
Well, isn't it obvious? You were right in front of me with the answer. With the answer.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. First of all, nagpapasalamat kami na naka-attend kayo dito sa wedding namin. Yung mga faces na nakikita namin dito, syempre katulad namin, mixed emotions din. So, iyak tawa. And alam namin na all throughout ng magiging pagsasama namin is same faces pa din yung palagi namin makikita na susuporta sa amin sa lahat ng mga gagawin namin. Una-una syempre yung parents namin, mga kapatid, immediate family, mga bilas, hipag. At syempre, yung second parents namin na mga ninang at ninang namin ngayon.
Ayun na, thank you po sa pagpunta. Unang-una ipapasalamat kami sa Diyos dahil nakarating na rin kami dito. Maraming salamat sa pagpunta nyo. Papasalamat ako unang-una sa parents din ni Joyce, kay nanay at kay Tito Carl na nakasuportan sa amin nung simula pa rin kami. And pangalawa kina Kuya Alvin at kay Ate Apple kasi siya yung nag-welcome sa akin. Actually, nagsimula lang ito sa pag-order ko ng cake kay Ate Apple. Nang dahil sa cake, kaya thankful ako sa cake ni Ate Apple. Doon lang nagsimula yun kasi magbe-birthday yung youngest namin na is kailangan ko ng cake. So nagsimula lang to dahil sa cake ni Ate Apple. Ayun, kaya nagkaroon kami ng connection kay Kuya Alvin sa pag-welcome sa amin, kay Kuya Choi at kay Ate Eva sa kapatid ni Joyce. Yun, nagpapasalamat kami sa pag-welcome sa akin at saka sa dalawang bata. Nagpapasalamat din ako sa mga magulang ko kasi nakasuporta din sila sa amin. Sa mga ninong at ninang, maraming salamat sa pag-accept ng pagiging ninong at ninang. So kahit alam natin na weekdays, nag-effort kayo na makapunta dito. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. At saka lahat ng guests, sa mga friends and relatives, maraming salamat sa effort na pagpunta dito. Ayun, thankful at naging maayos yung kasal. Kahit medyo summer, medyo mainit, pero at least hindi umulan. So ayun, maraming salamat sa inyo.
Well, isn't it obvious? You were right in front of me with the answer. With the answer. Well, is it?
To introduce to you the newly married couple, Mr. and Mrs. Joel Toledo.